Hi, I'm Dr. Radha Sharma. Today I'm going to tell you all you need to know about laser hair reduction. First and foremost important thing is it is reduction, it is not removal. So it does some changes to your hair cycle, hair textures and duration between your two hair growths. So it does reduction into your hair. So it is never removal. It does not remove your hair 100%. There is certain modification. Those modifications are most of the time permanent. So this is called laser hair reduction. Secondly, most important question that my patient asks me is how many sessions are required or how many sessions and what interval it is needed. If I say if you have no internal hormonal imbalance in your body or no genetic influence, then the minimum required number of sessions we decide between 6 to 8 on a gap of
4 to 6 weeks.
Definitely when it comes to response to laser hair reduction, there is a different response according to different body parts. Supposedly your underarms, your bikini, your legs respond beautifully to laser hair reduction and much faster. The hair goes much lighter in appearance or in texture, and the duration between your laser hair reduction session, it also increases very well. If I talk about chin and your face, depend your hair and a skin type. If your hair have a bit hard or coarse side, they will respond very well. And if your skin is more on the fairer side, because that's where we can give you higher energy without having any apprehensions about increasing fluence of the machine. Secondly, if I talk about safety of a machine, which most commonly asked question, because most people think that laser is not safe. They have a lot of safety issues attached to laser. So it's very important that you choose a right machine for you if I talk about laser. Light parameters to be set according to your hair type or your skin type, and the duration of sessions when it to be given. So these are the certain things that you need to choose before you decide to go for laser hair reduction. Machine, if I talk about, please check your machine has to be US FDA approved. It does not have any side effects if the machine has US FDA. No burns and pigmentation issues can happen. So on continuation with machine, this is laser hair reduction machine. This is Soprano Ice. It comes with 2 to 3 hand pieces depending upon the hair type. We decide which hand piece we want to go. It comes with diode and anti-ag both. So this is your hand piece. Here comes the laser light that comes from. So how do we perform whenever we're trying to laser hair reduction is, firstly we raise off that area wherever we're planning to do laser. After raising off, we put a Sonagel for better gliding of this handpiece and give a cooling effect to your skin. Then this tip itself has a little cooling temperature. It has certain cooling effect. So whenever we start doing a laser, it does little bit cooling and gives you a very calming effect to the skin. Then we start giving you shots which comes from here, and during the session you will only feel slight warmness or some areas where you have a harder growth, certain pricks and all. That's all you feel during the laser hair reduction. No, not a much painful procedure because it's Alma Soprano Ice. It does not give you that pain or a much pricky sensation during your laser session. So with the handpiece, this is your machine which has a lot of parameters to decide. So it's very important that you choose a right dermatologist or a right clinic who knows about what parameters to be set for your laser. It is hair removal. Now if you see, there has a lot of modes, and according to you want to give it to male or female, you can very well choose a body part, which area you're planning to do laser. If I see this underarms here, then according to the area you have to choose fluence, you have to choose energy, and the grid size means how much area I'm going to give laser shots to. According to that, it comes here final energy that gives you the laser. So it depends on many of the factors to start with laser, that which body part I'm doing it, how much grid size I'm gonna make, and according to that the laser energy is being decided. So those who have issues not getting results and all, it's very important that you choose a right machine right parameters, and always find out if you have any internal hormonal imbalance, you have any genetic issues going on, because the result will always differ if you have anything, or maybe paradox hair growth, which is another very important thing whenever we start doing laser. So if you do not have hair at all anywhere on the body, I advise not to go for laser hair reduction, because you can get paradoxical hair growth, means your hair follicle might get stimulated with excess heat that laser is going to provide you. So before deciding which body part we can do laser, always consult a dermatologist that this body parts can be given or this body part cannot be given. Let it be your dermatologist call, not yours. Thank you.